Hi guys, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Megan, one of Digital Horse's dressage brand ambassadors, and as part of being a brand ambassador for Digital Horse, I get to do lots of cool and exciting things. Today I'm going to be showing you Teresa Lewis Art's Box of Happy, which some of you might have seen with Vic at Equiboodle. So for those of you who don't know, Teresa is a lovely woman. She is an animal illustrator and bespoke commission artist as well. So I haven't actually seen what is in this box, so this is the first time. It's come in this really lovely packaging. There's your box of Happy. This is the £30 box. You can get lots of different themes, so I went with the horse one. You can also get dogs, wildlife and farm animals. It's a really cute little illustration on the front of it. Okay, so let's have a look. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. Teresa Lewis, animal artist, just some really cool illustrations and a little bit about her. What's her in the corner? There she is! Okay.
What's it say?
Megan, I hope you enjoy your box of Happy. Thank you for your support. Best wishes, Teresa. Oh, it's always nice to get a little handmade note. A little bit personal. You don't always get that with bigger companies. It's always nice when you support smaller businesses. Oh! That's so cute! A magnet. And it says, give up, give in. Oh my god, I'll give it all you got. No joke, I've actually got that written on my wall over there.
Take a picture.
I'll insert a little photo of that, but that's so cute!
It's got Kia on it.
Oh, there's a postcard. Look at this little
Oh, that's Baba's of you, isn't
That's
it?
the dog version. Yeah, if my dog was a horse, that is what he would look like. It's a postcard. Oh, ooh! Totally not my favourite part. Oh, there's like pencils with like little
Oh, look at that
things on
one.
it.
My best
Start
friend
small,
has,
aim big.
my best friend has 4 your legs.
Oh. Bad day. Hug your pet. That is such a mood. Oh, look at these notes. Look at those cards. Cards.
That's Kia.
You know what you're getting for your next birthday.
It looks like Kia anyway.
Oh yes. Right. I love a notebook. Literally for every birthday, every Christmas, I get a notebook. Oh my god, look at that one on the back. Oh, so cute.
We used to own Shetlands and they're so sweet.
Yeah. And look at us like Roar at the front. And she literally does make
that look like
Ah.
grey nose instead of black nose.
Ooh.
Is that a wash
That's
bag?
literally what I look like on a daily basis, I'm not even gonna lie.
That's a wash bag.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
I think so. Wash bag, makeup bag.
It's good for if you have to go away with the ponies.
Yeah, and it could be like a little like show day bag, so like hairnets, gloves,
Oh yeah.
numbers.
Oh,
Oh, look at all my stuff! And all this for literally like £30 you pay for the box, which to be honest, I'm well buzzed with. Ah, look at all my things!
And like, it's not even that much plastic.
No, I thought that as well.
Because like, usually when you get big companies ones,
It's full of
usually,
styrofoam,
yeah.
I find. The majority of it is styrofoam.
But that's like easy to get rid of and it won't like take up your whole bag for the thing.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. So now I'm going to take you through each of the individual items in a bit more detail, explain to you the different prices, and then give you some of the great reasons why this box is such a good idea. Okay, so up in closer detail, so we've got the new motivational magnets. So Teresa's got 4 different designs with 4 different sayings on them, and these are £3.50 and you get free shipping on these, and it's a great little thing. So I probably pop this on my fridge at eye level, so every morning when I go and make breakfast and get a cup of tea, I'm gonna read this, and I just find it really spooky that that's the literal saying I have on my wall, and now it's gonna be on my fridge. And I really love the illustration on this one, and I love the colours on the background as well. And that's new. on her collection. So next up we have the travel bag or makeup bag or show day bag. So this is size large. Teresa does a small, medium and large size bags, and this is £16 with free shipping. I think this is a super great, useful bag that I would definitely use as a show day bag. I'd have my scrunchie in here, my BD numbers, my hair nets, probably my gloves as well, because I'm quite bad for misplacing those ones. You could put plaiting band, I don't plait mine, but you could put plaiting bands in here, or even maybe if you're an eventer you might put your studs in here for when you go across country. But I really like it. You've got a illustration on both sides. It's washable, so when it gets smelly after a fair few uses you can wash it, and it's really roomy. With the zip it opens right up as well, so you can fit lots in there. Super useful, really nice colour, and I love the Shetland design. So cute. Okay, so next up is my 3 gorgeous A6 notebooks. They're all lined, and when you buy a notebook you get a really cute little pencil with them, with an eraser, and they're really cute because they've got lovely little sayings on them, and I just think that's a really nice, they're a really cute little stationery thing, and with the sayings on the side it just might make you smile when you sat in school or got it in your bag, if you're one of those that carry around to write down notes. We've got my best friend has 4 legs, start small, aim big, and bad day, hug your pet, which is probably what I do on my bad days too.
Bad day hugging pet.
Yeah, bad day hugging pet. So you can buy them individually or as a set of 3. They come with loads of different designs. So you can get a horse set like the one I've got here, or you can get a farm set, which I'm sure has other cute designs on them as well. So you can either get them at £3.50 individually or £9 for the set, and once again free shipping on these guys. I absolutely love them. I'm such a notebook person, and I'll probably have one for my shopping list and one for when I go on show days and I need to remember what I need to bring, what my time are, what tests I'm doing, all of that one, and then I'll probably have one for university as well, just so I've got a little bit horsey with me when I go. So then I got these really sweet greetings cards. So they're blank on the inside, so you can write whatever message you want. Teresa's got loads of different designs, which include equestrian ones, cats, dogs, farm animals. She's even got some beautiful ones just for general wildlife, which include lovely pheasant cards. They're £3 each, and you also get free shipping on these guys as well. And they're a lovely size, they're not too big, not too small, and because of the blank message you can use them for whatever occasion you want. So anniversaries, birthdays, Christmas, a lot. Okay, so then I got lovely Bono, that's the name of the design on this. He is on the postcard. So these are £1.50 each, and there's 10 different designs to choose from. Again, covering all aspects: equestrian, dogs, farm and wildlife, and they're super cute. I absolutely love this design of Bono. He's adorable. Free shipping on those. Really cute little design, and I think you could either use it as an actual postcard itself, or if you're like me, love hanging up cool little horsey pictures, you could hang that on your wall as well. Really cute. So I've taken you through everything that I had in my awesome box of Happy. So I thought I'd just go through some of the benefits of ordering a box like this. So first things first, I just bunged everything that I received through Teresa's website, and actually it all came out at £40. So when you order a box like this you actually save a lot of money. So instead of being £40 you got it for £30, which I think is a really good deal, especially when you look at the quality of the items involved as well. It's a super great idea for those family members that you're not quite sure what to get them, but you know what they're relatively interested in, whether that be horses, dogs or whatever. So I think that's a good side of things, but it's also good if you want to treat yourself and you want a little bit of surprise, because even the buyer doesn't know what they're getting. I had no idea what I was receiving, and that was quite exciting, and that definitely added to the fun of things. So it's a super flexible budget. You can get boxes ranging from £10 all the way up to £100, and even more customization because you can pick the theme that you're going with. So it can either have a box tailored to equestrians, tailored to dog lovers, tailored to farmers and farm animals, and also tailored to that more wildlife side of things. So like I spoke about earlier, she does these gorgeous cards with like pheasants and dormouse and field mouse and things on them, and they're really lovely. With those different themes, it also works out well for those of you who have friends that aren't as horse crazy as we are and actually interested in things other than horses. So I think this box actually has loads of different benefits for it, and when you get items that are really high quality as well, it makes that gift box experience even more better. So if you really liked watching this and you thought to yourself that you could do with your very own box of happy, all you have to do is head over to teresalewisart.co.uk. I'll also probably stick it along here for you, and then you head over to the shop, click on gift bundles, and it is there for you, the box of happy. So you can click it, go on there, and you can work out how much you want to spend, what you want your theme to be. You can also leave a message to go in with your box, and you can also write down some details about the recipient, and that just adds to the customization and personalization and make sure that you get the most out of your gift. So my final thoughts. I was actually really pleasantly surprised with what I received. When you don't know what's coming and you're not really sure what to expect, it can be a bit daunting, and often you can be left with sort of a little bit disappointed expecting more, but that actually wasn't the case today. I was really pleased with what I got. I thought it was amazing value for money. I've got a wide range of things that are definitely usable, and that's the main selling point. I think they're definitely things that you're going to use rather than just something you're just going to put on the side, and I think that works for a lot of people. I know a lot of family members that prefer to have gifts that they can use rather than just something that's going to sit on the mantelpiece and just look at. I really like the personalisation and the level that you can get to, not just themes and budget, but also at the end when you order a box you can add details of the recipient and really get that level. And I think when conversing with Teresa, one thing I really found was that she was really lovely and willing to answer any of my questions and help out, and responded to all of my messages. So sorry, my dog's sneezing. I'd just like to say a really huge thank you to not only Teresa Lewis and her amazing company, but also to Digital Horse for giving me the opportunity to run through this box. I've really enjoyed myself, and I think if I was buying something for somebody and I wasn't 100% sure what to get, I definitely think about sending them a box their way, and it definitely was a box of happy. So thank you guys.
Stop sneezing in the video!
Yeah, box of happy!
Stop sneezing in the video!